Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Adaora here. I know it's been a long time no posting. How are you doing? On today's video, I'm just going to do some unpacking. I went to Walmart. I just came back now and I bought some things for the house. I'm going to unpack those items and just randomly tell you guys, what I do with them and why I prefer some brands. Just chit chat with you guys, okay? Let's dive straight into it. These are the things I got from Walmart. Let's unpack all of this, guys. Let's unpack. So let's start with this. This is protein shake. I got this for my coffee. And this is water. I got two of this. I like this brand. Plantain. I like Walmart's plantains because they are very large. Some of them very huge. I got one egg. I got avocados. Avocado very high in fat. Because I'm on a weight loss journey, I like avocados because they keep me full for a long time. I got strawberry, blueberry for my parfait, and oatmeal. This is beans. I got some banana. I bought Capri Sun for the kids. I got red apples. This is coffee filter for my coffee. I bought toothpaste. I got honey bunch oat cereal. I got tangerine. I bought apple cider vinegar for my weight loss. I got butter for baking. So this is Lando Lakes. And I also got this sweet cream butter. I'm going to be making cake very soon, so this is for the cake. I got this sandwich bag for just random things, like for packaging fruits for the kids. I'm coming. And this is film wrap for keeping things fresh. I got cheese. Got apple juice. I saw this, it's on clearance, sold for $1. I'm like, why not? And this was also on clearance for $2. It's for the bubble blower. So this goes with this. I got this for my son. He's so obsessed with Spider-Man. So I just got this juice only because of this Spider-Man, nothing else. I have kiwi. I bought brown rice, and this is just for me because I'm trying to lose some weight. So I'll be eating brown rice because it has more fibers. Other people can eat their regular white rice. This is ketchup. I got some lemon. So I use this. I squeeze some lemon in my water just to get vitamin C. Let's put this here. Got some yogurt for the kids. This is oats. Got some milk and another milk. This is 1% fat, and this is whole milk. These are all the things that I got from Walmart. I know. Guys, let me know what you do with your grocery plastic bags that you come back with. So for this, I'm going to save them and use them to pack trash whenever I'm cooking. This is my fruit basket. This is where I keep our fruits. I'm going to leave this plantain here, and I'll keep these ripe ones on top so we can use them first. Okay. I'm going to put the milk in the fridge. Guys, I also got watermelon, but I didn't show it. I did not show the watermelon I got. I'll put the blueberry, the strawberry here. What again should go in the fridge? Some lemons. Lemons goes here. Try it. The cheese goes in the fridge. The apples, yogurt. My fridge don't full, guys. I'll leave this kiwi outside because it's still strong. I want it to get soft. So I'll just leave this kiwi out here. I don't have space to put this apple, so I'll just leave this apple outside. It won't spoil. What else is very important that needs to be in the fridge? I think, oh yeah, the egg. Guys, let me know, do you put your eggs in the fridge? I know people leave their eggs out. I'm used to leaving mine in the fridge. I have another fridge in the garage, so I'll probably take some of this milk and keep in the garage fridge because there's so much milk in here and I don't need them all at once. Ooh. Let me end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video till this point. I hope you enjoyed it. Please keep... That's the fridge telling me to shut the door. Please close me, close me, close me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, okay? Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.